We've got our Jamaican, I probably shouldn't have said it like that. We've got our Jamaican black castor oil strength and restoring smooth with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar here. So let's take a look at what this actually looks like here. So let's see, let's do like this. Can you guys see that? So yeah, and the number one thing that I always love so much about Shea Moisture's product, but this one is, oh my God, it just smells so good. So good, so good. You smell that? You want to smell? It's crazy. How does a dog just not go, wow, that smells good? Yeah, smells really good. Let's put some, it's a little bit thicker. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up a little bit. And yeah, we can see it right here. Like one, like this. So this is really nice. Let's see if you'll smell it. Don't lick it. Please don't lick it. Please don't lick it. Please don't lick it. Don't know. Oh, okay. So let's go ahead and put some in my hair here. So let's see. All right. Put some over here. All right, now my hair's smelling good. Got a little bit of that Shea Moisture in there. And the main thing that I really like is that it just smells so good. So good. Let's go ahead and do this. All right. Yeah, it smells so good. And then no mineral oils, no animal testing, no petroleum, no none of that stuff. And again, just smells so natural and so good. I really like the smell of this.